be straight. Just give it a little help, okay? Just like this. Just go doop, and he'll pull it over. You got it?
What's that, Peyton?
Hey, don't push down on it, Kel.
What do you say to Aunt Amy? I think I have to walk to catch up with it, Kale. What is that, Kale? Your train tracks?
Your train? Yeah.
Kale, look at this.
What? Train track.
We can do it up here on the table.
Okay.
You're clearing it off the table? Whoa, he can't get that table cleared off fast enough.
I'm gonna get it.
I think it's too long and too heavy to work together particularly well.
He's making a mega train.